room, Julian. And I want you to fall over there, because I don't want you to... There you go, right there. Oh, did I get a hug? Thanks. Thanks, bud. That was a nice hug.
That's a nice hug.
That's a nice hug.
Let's do the blower.
You're all done spinning, Bubba?
You should teach him how to spin with the bat.
Whoa.
Now set this.
Almost?
He's unwinding because he's going the opposite way he did last time.
Did you make the room spin? No, with the blower. Oh, that's good. You're probably really dizzy still, huh? Are you still dizzy?
What's my leaves?
There's more leaves?
Yeah.
Go over there, by the cars.
Where?
By the cars, by the cars. Handsome boy.